Sir has joined. Hello, sir. Good evening.
Good evening, everyone. Uh, uh, Today, welcome back to the to Healthy Chat with me. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome our guest for today, Dr. Siddharth Nayak. Dr. Siddharth Nayak is a dental surgeon and is also a lecturer at High Tech Dental College. A person who loves helping the poor, Dr. Siddharth Nayak is quite passionate about cricket and is also a good cricket player. On behalf of the entire Hey Foodie family, I welcome you, sir. I would now like to call upon our lovely host for today, Vidisha, who will be carrying forward the show. Vidisha is one of the best hosts we have in town, and she is a colleague and also a dear friend. So, over to you, Vidisha.
Thank you, Noor. Well, a very warm good evening to Dr. Siddharth. Welcome on behalf
Thank you
of
so
HIP.
much, the whole team. Thank you
Good
very
evening,
much.
sir. Good evening, sir.
Very good evening. Very good evening to all and all.
Okay, then let me tell you something about HIP Foodie. HIP Foodie is a group of people who are working with a vision and mission of inculcating healthy eating habits and cooking habits among our surroundings. And our first priority is our consumers' health, our customers' health. So, on that note, I again welcome you on behalf of the Hey Foodie family to the Healthy Chat with Hey.
Thank you so much, everyone. Once again. Uh, okay, let's start with the session.
Okay,
Okay.
so, well, tell us about your journey from being an ordinary person to a dentist. Like, how did you manage it? Tell us something about it.
Yeah, journey was quite difficult, quite tough. Initially, actually, some financial crisis was also there. Anyway, struggleful journey it was. I got the rank in Odisha JEE in 2007 and joined High Tech Dental College um, and passed out 2012. Then I started with my clinic in Cuttack. After that, after 2 to 3 years, 3 years of the practice, I got a chance to join High Tech Dental College again, the institute I passed out. Uh, it was a bit difficult. Initially, I was a junior lecturer there. After that, I got promoted. Now I'm the administrative officer and lecturer. And recently, I promoted as a COVID task force coordinator.
Great.
Mm, it's like this.
Okay, so yeah, I was about to coming to the question that how have you been
Yeah.
managing things during this pandemic? Like, tell us something about that. As you said that you are a coordinator in this COVID wala thing, right? So tell us
Yeah.
something about it.
Coordinator in the sense how to manage the COVID patient and how to restrict people from the COVID patients. Okay, it's basically uh, it comes under that segment only. Okay, so first thing is screening. Once a patient come into your institute, how to screen the patient, how to take the proper data. Is there any travel history? Is there any symptom regarding COVID? Whatever, sore throat, fever, cough, sneezing, what are the common breathing problem, what are the common complication of corona. That's we have to manage. Screening is temperature screening and hypoxia screening. Hypoxia in the sense the saturation, oxygen saturation of the body. It comes under pulse oximetry. So there are silent hypoxia is a normal clinical features of corona. Silent hypoxia, how it happens, the oxygen saturation of the body becomes decreases from the 89%, but usually it should be above 96% to 100%. So it cannot be judged by the normal breathing procedure. You cannot judge what is the oxygen capacity of the person. So pulse oximeter is there in our screening zone. Rest is sanitization of our hospital. How to sanitize? We have uh, categorized our hospital in three zones: red, orange, and green. The patient usually more patient coming to the department. We got into the red zone, and after entering of each and every patients, we are sanitizing the department. They're sanitizing the stool the patient is sitting, sanitizing the chair patient is using, whatever. And orange zone day wise, hourly, and green zone 2 days once, 3 days once, like that only. So in that way, I'm managing all these things. And in addition to that, I have to take classes of the students. Uh, Again, managing the administration work. Patient, I have to look up to the patients. Bit tough, but going on.
या मतलब ये कह सकते हैं कि एक बार में कई सारी चीजें आपको मैनेज करनी पड़ रही है एंड यू आर डूइंग इट प्रीटी वेल
हाँ,
कांग्रेचुलेशंस फॉर दैट
thank you so much.
वेल आई आई गेस अब आप अभी अपने ऑफिस में ही हैं राइट
Yeah, it's my clinic now.
ओके तो यू मतलब अभी आपका फिलहाल में कोई अपॉइंटमेंट तो नहीं था ना लाइक आई होप दैट वी
No,
आर
no,
नॉट
no,
डिस्टर्बिंग यू
no. Not at all, not at all.
okay so tell me what why did you choose this profession why dentist आपने dentist as a profession क्यों choose किया कोई हिडन
It's
रीजन है
not
इसके पीछे
basically
का
the choosing a profession. No, yeah, no hidden reason. You can say it a bit forceful. My grandfather wanted that I should be a doctor. I have already cleared NDA, National Defense Academy. The written is cleared, and I got the
oh my
intimation
god
from the institute. My parents made it hide it, and after that, I don't know what happened. Well, after 6 months, I got the notice that I had cleared the written, and I had the intimation for the joining for physical examination. Then I
oh
got
my god
1100 rank. I had got in engineering already. I had already
that's
got a
great
seat in ITR
uh-huh.
in engineering, but life turned around completely. Yeah, my grandfather told me I should go for a doctor line.
वेल मैं एक बात कहना चाहूंगी जो आपने फेस किया वो शायद आजकल हर एक हमारे एज का बंदा फेस करता है दैट वी वांट टू डू समथिंग एल्स और हमारे पेरेंट्स कुछ और कहते हैं सो टेल अस व्हाट वाज योर एग्जैक्ट इमोशन एट दैट पर्टिकुलर टाइम यू क्रैक्ड so many things but then also you have to choose dentist as a profession तो क्या चल रहा था आपके दिमाग
Yeah, it was a bit confused at that time that I should go ahead with this profession or I should change after few years or whatever. But gradually, I just got acquainted with this and enjoyed with my friends and all these papers. Again, got engaged with all the stress level of exams. Then I forgot. Gradually, I got entered into this course.
मतलब धीरे धीरे you got comfortable with
Yeah,
this
yeah,
environment of
yeah,
doctor
yeah,
and thing right
yeah.
बढ़िया अच्छा tell me something about your hobbies like what do you prefer to do when you're free खाली टाइम में मतलब वो कौन सी चीज है जो आपको करके बड़ा मजा आता है
Always, I'm very fitness freak,
हाँ I was
and
about to say that
and I'm a professional player also in cricket. I have already
oh my god
cleared under 19 national. I have played, and sub junior national level. I have cleared the basketball. And after the class 10th, my parents didn't allow me to play basketball. Then I joined cricket. After that, I got a district selection, then got the state selection also. I played till under 23 national. After that, profession is how hectic the profession is.
I
Then
know
slowly, I took it. Again, after passing out, I have again joined club, fitness, वगैरह. What, मतलब again started all with all these fitness walks.
so अभी आप स्पोर्ट्स खेलते हैं
अभी तो फिलहाल टाइम थोड़ा क्लमजी हो गया है. हाँ,
I
कभी
get
कभी
it
मतलब जिमिंग करता हूँ, फिटनेस करता हूँ, कभी कभार जाता हूँ क्लब एकेडमी, फिर भी जाता हूँ बिकॉज पैशन इज
I know I get that hunger for the passion अच्छा तो फिर चूंकि आप दिख भी बहुत फिट रहे हो और आपने बताया कि यू हैव बीन इनटू स्पोर्ट्स एंड स्टफ्स लाइक दैट what is the reason behind your fitness one valid reason that you have been maintaining your health so well
maintaining of health. Yeah, so see, maintaining of health is comes under several classified regions. You can say you have to look after yourself, you have to look after your patients, you have to look after your family. So many surroundings are there. Okay, so you can say there are two types of fear factors are there. One is your physical fear factor, one is mental fear factor. Okay, so physical fear factor, what is, and by the advance of age, so you will start deterring your uh, all the physiological process of body, like digestion, like your excretion, like your circulation, cardiovascular problem, neurological problem, neuro muscular joint problem. Several things are going to happen by the advance of age. So as the age progress, you will know what is the consequence. As a doctor, I can diagnose what is going to be there to my health, or my parents health, or my patient's health. So by keeping those things on the loop, you have to maintain all these things. And
Hmm.
yes, when I am working from morning 6 until night 11, I want some mental uh, what mental pleasure also. In that basis, you have to keep your mind also stable, so that you will not deteriorate from your mind, or any psychological disorder will hamper you. That I'm working so whole day, what will happen to me? I don't have any time to get for myself, to give myself whatever. So you have to balance both physical and mental activities.
Right. So I guess you were a gym freak as well, right? You like gymming and stuff.
Yeah, kind of.
हाँ,
Yeah.
अच्छा. तो फिर अभी लॉकडाउन के टाइम पे हाउ आर यू मैनेजिंग? आई गेस ऑल द जिम्स आर क्लोज्ड राइट नाउ, राइट?
Yeah, truly speaking, I am unable to manage since 1.5 months. Before the lockdown started since 3 months. Okay,
हाँ.
so after that, I was managing workout in my terrace
हो.
of my
अच्छा, तेरे.
home.
हाँ.
Then government of Odisha allowed us to open our clinic. After that,
हाँ.
that also hampered.
वो भी चला गया फिर.
Yeah, that also hampered.
अच्छा. Before I move further with my questions, I have a question. तो मेरे को हमेशा से था कि मेरे को एक
Yeah,
डेंटिस्ट से पूछना है, ठीक है? Okay, so
yeah,
the
sure.
scene is I love chocolates and I guess मेरे एज या मतलब बड़े बूढ़े सबको चॉकलेट्स बहुत पसंद है, ठीक है? Is it true कि चॉकलेट खाने से दांत खराब होते हैं? If it is, like it's a superstition कि ऐसा सचमुच है.
नहीं, this is a true fact.
अच्छा.
See, दांत खराब होना, हम लोग कहते हैं कीड़ा लग गया दांत में.
हाँ.
ठीक है, चॉकलेट खाने से दांत में कीड़ा लग जाता है. बट देर इज नथिंग कल कीड़ा. आपको कोई कीड़ा दिखता है आज तक मुंह में कोई कीड़ा निकलते हुए?
नहीं.
नहीं देखा है. नहीं.
नहीं.
So basically it's a infection. It's a bacterial infection. Okay. तो बैक्टीरिया आते कहाँ से है? ये बहुत जरूरी चीज है. बैक्टीरिया आते कहाँ से? तो हम लोग जो भी खाना खाते हैं, नॉट ओनली चॉकलेट्स, तीन टाइप का खाना खाते हैं रेगुलर बेसिस में. वन इज कार्बोहाइड्रेट वी आर टेकिंग, वन इज प्रोटीन वी आर टेकिंग, वन इज लिपिड वी आर टेकिंग.
हम्म.
सो जो भी खाना खाते हैं वो फर्मेंटेशन होता है हमारे मुंह से ही शुरू हो जाता है. फर्मेंटेशन मुंह से ही शुरू हो जाता है. तो उसमें क्या होता है, हम लोग खाना खाते 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 कुछ खाना रह जाते हैं दांत के अंदर, क्योंकि दांत तो पूरा सीधा नहीं है. दांत में तो आगे पीछे कुछ होता है, या कुछ दोनों दांत के बीच में गैप होता है, कुछ चीज टिकी हो जाती है. ओके, तो ज्यादातर क्या होता है, कार्बोहाइड्रेट स्टिकी रहते हैं ज्यादातर. नॉट ओनली प्रोटीन भी होता है, पर ज्यादातर कार्बोहाइड्रेट स्टिकी रहता है. तो चॉकलेट्स कम्स अंडर देम जनरली,
ओके.
क्योंकि शुगर रहता है.
हाँ.
शुगर कम्स अंडर ग्लूकोज.
हम्म.
ग्लूकोज मतलब इट कम्स अंडर कार्बोहाइड्रेट. ओके, सो वो क्या करता है, जब खाना रह जाता है इट एसिड फॉर्म करता है. इट फॉर्म्स द एसिड. फर्मेंटेशन हो गए, फॉर्म्स ऑफ पेटिस एंड स्टार्टिंग डिकेइंग द surface of the tooth. So this is the there is no rocket science behind it. So this is a normal fundamental कि एसिड फॉर्मेशन होके दांत का खाना शुरू होता है, जो कार्बोहाइड्रेट मुंह में रह जाता है, फूड लॉसमेंट होके होके दैट फॉर्म्स इनटू द एसिड दैट स्टार्टेड डिकेइंग द टूथ. दैट्स इट.
Okay, so basically chocolate khana zyada is wrong, right?
It's not wrong. If you're taking chocolates, you should wash your mouth accordingly.
That's better. That's seriously better. I wish my mom was here to listen to this. Anyway, getting back to our discussion. एक बात बताइए, आपका दिन इतना बिजी रहता है, ठीक है, like you have to take care of patients, you have to take care of your clinic, you have your own health being taken care. 24 घंटे में how do you manage? Like you have divided time or बस हो जाता है, you have got habituated.
Right now I got habituated. पर पहले हाँ दिक्कत होता था. अभी वो एक क्या बोलते हैं, आई मीन सांचा बोलते हैं ना, उस सांचे में पड़ गया हूँ.
सांचे में ढल गया.
हाँ.
अगर मुझसे पूछे कि what is your definition of healthy lifestyle, so how would you put it?
हेल्दी लाइफस्टाइल. ओके. हेल्दी लाइफस्टाइल आप वही जो मैं बोला पहले से ही कि दो तरफ से हेल्दी रहना चाहिए. फिजिकली रहना चाहिए एंड मेंटली रहना चाहिए. फिजिकली हेल्दी रहोगे, मेंटली नहीं रहोगे, इक्विवेलेंट टू यू आर इल. तो हेल्दी लाइफस्टाइल के लिए आपको फिजिकली भी फिट रहना है विदाउट एनी इलनेस एंड मेंटली भी फिट रहना है विदाउट एनी इलनेस वगैरह, स्ट्रेस वगैरह वो सबसे दूर रहना है और एक cheerful life and without any damage to your body, without hampering the normal physiology of your body, so that your digestion should be there, your circulation should be there, your neurological no issue, you're fit from every aspect.
Mhm. So this is what is your definition, right?
Yeah.
Okay. If I ask you, what are the major steps you take to maintain your healthy lifestyle? What are they?
First thing is, uh, as I told, the physical exercises first, and second is food habit. Okay. Third thing is, uh, without stress, how to handle everything. And finally, uh, without hampering your surrounding. matlab, as I am looking after the patient, I should be humble towards, so that कि मैं mentally उतना strong रहूं कि हाँ, at the end of the day I should be like that as the start of the day. क्योंकि क्या होता है ना, जनरली आई हैव फेस्ड माय कलीग्स, वो लोग कुछ पेशेंट देखते हैं उसके बाद चिड़चिड़ हो जाते हैं, नहीं देखना, ये करना, वो करना, क्योंकि आपका उतना फिटनेस लेवल रहता नहीं है कि आप मेंटली उतना फिट नहीं हो कि रिजिडिटी आ जाता है दिमाग में, ये वो. तो आपको शुरू में जैसा है आप एंड तक वैसा रहो. दैट इज योर गोल शुड बी देयर.
जैसे कि आपने बात किया कि some of the doctors often get irritated, मतलब चिड़ हो जाता है रेगुलर बेस पे कस्टमर को, मतलब पेशेंट्स को देख के. तो how do you manage it? आपको भी obvious है that it's a great mental stress to watch n number of patients एक के बाद एक. So how do you manage that stress? What do you do to handle?
As I'm fit, I told that I don't have an issue to work up to night 11 also. I used to go to home by 11, 10:45 to 11. I start my day at 6 o'clock from gym. After that, hospital duties, then sometimes to cricket club. Then I come to my clinic. I have two clinics, one minor OT is there. So I just got into that process of life that I don't feel any kind of,
you have to face
yeah,
it, है ना?
yeah.
Okay, like अभी बहुत सारी डॉक्टर वाली बातें हो गई. अब even though I don't know much about cricket, but आप क्रिकेट खेलते थे तो आप उसमें क्या, मतलब कौन से प्लेस पे खेलते थे? Tell us something about that.
I was an opener, opening
Oh my
batsman.
god, great. That's मतलब बहुत बड़ा रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी होता है नहीं? अच्छा रन ठोकना पड़ता है तभी सामने वाला उसको पुल कर सकता है, right? If I'm
हाँ, obviously, team is depends on opener.
okay. And what about basketball?
Basketball, I left like cages. Already, I have left it class 9, 10. I left it. I
Okay.
last played class 9th, Delhi National. That was my last.
Where you played for nationals, right?
Yeah, I have I already led 3 tournaments from Odisha.
But yeah, but you deserve a big round of applause, I must say.
Thank you so much.
Acha, through my sources, I have come to know that you believe in social service. You believe in helping poor. Yeah. अगर मैं
Yeah.
आपसे पूछूं कि ये निस्वार्थ हेल्प करके आपको क्या मिलता है? What's the feeling you get?
Feeling, I don't know.
Just like
It's
it.
my uh, internal peace. That's it. And मैं नहीं चाहता कि हाँ what मेरा ये mentality है कि I used to put myself some in other state because मैं सामने जिसको देखता ना मैं ये सोच लेता हूँ अगर मैं उस जगह पे होता तो मुझे क्या लगता तो I usually put myself in that state of the person so it's very obvious that we go into that position and how you feel and if you feel the same things then you will come forward to help others that's it.
Means if once we humans start feeling सामने वाले का pain and तकलीफ, we'll get the
Yeah,
feeling of
yeah,
humanity back, right?
yeah, definitely.
That's really nice.
My battery
So I
is
guess,
there.
are you fond of? Yeah, you're busy.
No, it's my battery is.
Okay. Anyway, the session is gonna take a break of 1 minute.
Yeah, sure,
Yeah,
better,
this session is gonna
better
take
होगा.
a 1 minute or 2 minute a break. हम लोग rejoin करेंगे, ठीक है? तब तक आप take a short break. Okay, so getting back to where we left, what were we discussing? Any clue and any? We were talking about. Sorry, can you remind me what we were talking?
You're talking about
Cricket and all.
Yeah, we were
Yes,
talking.
cricket.
Thank you, audience. Yeah, we were discussing about cricket and stuff. Okay, so that's over. Acha, I have one question. What
Yeah.
opinion do you have about the health campaigns which are held in school for students? Do they have any impact on them? Is it of any use for them?
School camp.
Yes.
You're asking about school camp, right? Yeah.
Yeah, health campaigns in school. Yeah, right.
It depends, ma'am. Actually, it depends on the what kind of camp it is. It is a if it is a screening camp or it is a treatment camp. Okay. So basically, in schools, teachers, parents, they don't allow to do the treatment because something somehow uh, in our profession, maybe people are having tooth problem, tooth pain, toothache. Uh, so what we can do, the condition of the patient would have indicating to extract the tooth. जनरली बोलते हैं दांत निकाल दो बच्चों का क्योंकि वो दूध का दांत होता है और उसका कोई फ्यूचर नहीं होता है तो जनरली क्या होता है उसको बोलते हैं हम लोग एडवाइस करते हैं कि दांत निकाल दो इट विल बी बेटर फॉर तो स्कूल में जाके विदाउट देयर पेरेंट्स कंसेंट without their teachers consent we cannot perform any kind of surgical treatment in school areas okay so what we can do we usually do the screening we just documented what is the clinical findings of the patients each and every patients okay we get back to the all the documents to the teachers and we send a bus to the school area that teacher get the consent letter from the parents that yes their parent allowed to do the treatment so our bus collect the all the students from the schools and treatment is doing in our hospital. That is free of cost. We are providing free of cost treatment. And I do conduct my some camps from my clinic also. Matlab, not only my institute, I am doing camps from my clinic background also. Near about 16, 17 school I have covered.
That's great.
Yeah.
Okay, so before
Uh,
I continue with my more questions, I would like to invite my co-host with some fun elements
Yeah.
and to just reduce this continuous stress. Yeah, she's there. Noor, go on, please.
Vidisha,
Yes.
before that, Vidisha, sorry to interrupt. Before that, can I ask a question, sir?
Yeah. Okay. Well, Dr. Siddharth, we have
Definitely,
Yeah,
a
sir. You're
question
always
from the
welcome.
audience. Please go.
yeah,
Please, sir.
yeah,
Please.
so I'm Dipesh from Hey Foodie. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so,
Nice to meet you.
yeah, thank you, sir. So basically, what I wanted to ask, is, like, since I'm from Hey Foodie, and I believe you have seen our brochure and all. Okay, so we have planned ki we'll be doing the health campaigns and the free dentist checkup and then this eye checkup and all at the schools. Okay, so
Yeah.
how relevant it would be according if suppose we are pitching like you told ki you have already done 60 70 plus schools across
16,
Odisha.
17. Sorry, 16 or 17. I guess 16 or
16,
17.
okay. So 16 and 17 is still a bigger number. How suppose when we are approaching a school and we are telling ki we like we'll be doing these camps in your schools coming down the line if you we sign up with the schools, right? So
Yeah.
what are the things we should take care when we are pitching these things? Since I am from sales, so I'll be asking ki, what I need to pitch to them so that they can understand and they will able to give good feedback or accept it this proposal and all. And how
Sir,
you approach the
basically,
schools like you
uh,
16 17 schools which you done. So what are the things which we can do in the schools? Like you told ki we can't do this treatment and all. So that
yeah, we
for that
cannot do.
we are not there. For that we are not there. But then again, uh, if suppose I have seen many camps are there like free dental checkup, free body checkup, or free
Yeah.
these and that thing is there. Okay, so how we should approach the schools and how to convince them about these things
Yeah.
and
So
what we can
basically,
do, what we can, yeah, yeah. Sorry.
basically, our purpose should be awareness. This is the awareness program. Okay. So what kind of awareness? How to refrain our people to be uh, become more carrier's tooth, refrain from the carrier's tooth, or maintain a healthy oral hygiene, or maintain to many maintain a regular oral checkups, and maintain oral health should be that much enhanced. That should be our awareness program. Okay. सो
Okay.
बेसिकली क्या होता है, हम लोग इसमें बोलते हैं कि आप जितना हाइजीन रखोगे मुंह के अंदर, आपका तबीयत उतना ही अच्छा रहेगा. क्योंकि दो चीज
Exactly.
रेस्पॉन्सिबल रहता है. दो चीज रेस्पॉन्स, एक है हाथ, एक है मुंह. खाना तो हाथ से ही लेंगे ना आप मुंह के अंदर, तो हाथ भी अच्छा रहना चाहिए और मुंह भी अच्छा रहना चाहिए. ठीक है. तो
Yes, yes.
फर्स्ट थिंग इज योर हैंड शुड बी germ free and your mouth should be germ free. ओके. हाथ अच्छे से धोना
Okay.
है खाने से पहले, और खाने के बाद मुंह अच्छे से धोना है. ये चीज को हम लोग को ठान लेना है. सेकंड थिंग, हम लोग जो ब्रश करते हैं, कुछ बच्चों का दांत आगे पीछे रहता है, जिसको हम लोग बोलते हैं क्या, मतलब मालकुंचन बोलते हैं हम लोग. ठीक है. तो उनका दांत प्रॉपरली बैठता नहीं है, तो उसमें क्या होता है, वो बचपन से एक एनोमली रहता है उसमें. तो ब्रशिंग जब करेंगे, ब्रश कंप्लीट एरिया कवर नहीं करता है, तो खाना रहता है. खाना रहने के बाद बहुत सारे मसूड़े का प्रॉब्लम दिखता है, दांत का प्रॉब्लम दिखता है. तो लॉट्स ऑफ इश्यूज आर देयर. तो उससे कैसे बच्चों को अवेयर किया जाए कि कैसे उसका ब्रशिंग टेक्निक एनहांस करे. वो लोग ब्रशिंग टेक्निक के बारे में जाने क्या चीज है क्या नहीं. थर्ड थिंग इज, अगर आपका मुंह में कुछ कीड़ा है या मुंह में कुछ अल्सर्स है, क्योंकि अभी अभी देखता है रिसेंट सर्वे 100 में से जितने कैंसर पेशेंट्स है 49 आर ओरल कैंसर, मुंह के कैंसर, जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ टेकिंग ऑफ टबक। और आजकल के
Okay.
बच्चे क्लास 7-8 से शुरू हो जाते हैं वो
Hmm.
पाउच वगैरह।
Yes,
तो
yes.
उसका क्या असर रहता है जब अभी तो वो लोग जस्ट प्यूबिक एज में रहते हैं, फिर एडोलसेंस में जाएंगे तो जाते जाते बहुत सारे चेंजेस आ जाते हैं ओरल हेल्थ में। तो उनसे उन लोग को कैसे बचाया जाए कि कैंसर क्या होता है, कैसे होता है, वो सब चीज के बारे में हम
Okay.
लोग अवेयर करते हैं बच्चों को।
Okay. Okay.
That's it। और जनरली हम लोग टूथपेस्ट वगैरह या टूथब्रश वगैरह हम लोग डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करते हैं बच्चों को। और उसके बाद बस उनको हम लोग लाते हैं हॉस्पिटल में, जिसका जो ट्रीटमेंट होता है। अगर कुछ कैविटी है तो उसको फिलिंग करते हैं, ज्यादा कैविटी है तो उसको निकाल देते हैं, और दांत आगे पीछे उसको रेक्टिफाई कैसे किया जाता है, उससे लॉन्ग टर्म ट्रीटमेंट होता है। उसके बारे में हम लोग उनके पेरेंट को बताते हैं। अगर पेरेंट रेडी होगा तो तुरंत ट्रीटमेंट शुरू कर देते हैं। लॉट्स ऑफ कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस आर।
Okay. So suppose, sir, sorry to take the question longer. Basically,
नो
suppose अगर मैं किसी स्कूल को के पास गया, है ना, and a school asked me कि okay, I'll allow, but tell me the three things which you will do in your maybe dental checkup or maybe eye checkup or so. If you are doing telling कि I want to do this thing, तो what are the three things I can count them in कि ये तीन चीज हम आपके यहाँ पे आके करेंगे?
अगर स्कूल में आप लोग जा रहे हैं तो
Yes, yes, yes. मतलब मैं ये बताऊंगा कि एजेंडा ऑफ द डे वुड बी दिस ओनली।
मैं आप क्वेश्चन को ठीक से, अगर आप
सर
कोई भी स्कूल
जैसे
में
जैसे
अप्रोच कर रहे हैं कि आप लोग कैंप
हाँ
करना
हाँ
चाहते हैं, तो आप
यस सर,
उनके
तो
जो हेड ऑफ द इंस्टीट्यूशन को क्या कन्वे करेंगे, क्या कौन सा 3 चीज आप
हाँ
यहाँ पे करने वाले हो?
करने वाले हैं। यस सर, यस सर, यस।
ओके, तो फर्स्ट थिंग इज अवेयरनेस प्रोग्राम। आज आई टोल्ड नाउ, बच्चों को
ओके
सिखाएंगे कि ओरल हेल्थ को कैसे मेंटेन किया जाता है, हाउ टू मेंटेन ओरल हेल्थ। आज आई एम ए डेंटिस्ट, आज आई एम ए डेंटल सर्जन, आई वुड फोकस ऑन द ओरल हेल्थ। अगर कोई भी जनरली आप जाएंगे तो हेल्थ कैंप भी पकड़ लीजिए, तो बच्चों का ओवरऑल हेल्थ के बारे में आप बताएंगे कि हेल्थ को कैसे आप मेंटेन करेंगे। ठीक है।
ओके
सेकेंड थिंग,
यस सर।
अगर कोई प्रॉब्लम है तो उसको ट्रीटमेंट कैसे आप प्रोवाइड करेंगे। खाली जाके देख के आना इज नॉट अ सॉल्यूशन।
नॉट
उसको आप
यस सर, यस।
कैसे उनको रेक्टिफाई करेंगे, दैट शुड बी योर गोल। तो कैसे
ओके
आप
सो
ट्रीटमेंट प्रोवाइड करेंगे उनको विदाउट हैम्परिंग देयर एकेडमिक आवर। आप
ओके
छुट्टी के दिन
यस
good।
सर, यस।
Okay, next is how to maintain their food habits। okay, ऐसा कौन
ओके
सा बैलेंस डाइट आप प्रिपेयर करेंगे कि वो लोग खाएंगे, हेल्दी रहेंगे, ओरल हेल्थ भी उसमें इफेक्ट ना करे, ग्रीन वेजिटेबल्स वगैरह व्हाटएवर,
ओके
इट विल प्रिवेंट फ्रॉम द मोस्टली ऑटो इम्यून डिसऑर्डर्स से आपको प्रिवेंट कराए।
so at the end of the session we can give them every child a health report kind of thing where they can give it to their parents and then discuss the things and maybe approach the doctor and so, right? We
Yeah,
can do that, right? Okay, okay,
yeah,
thank you sir, thank you for time.
Okay, Noor,
Noori,
so
yeah,
I hope
you can
you're
take over.
ready. Please take
Yeah.
over and give
Sir,
us a fun break.
yeah. Just a fun element to this session, and I'm going to ask you some simple questions related to cricket and fitness, dental questions as well, and you're going to answer them. And towards the end, we'll have a short rapid fire round. Okay. So
okay।
my first question to you is, how many calories does a person burn if he or she walks for 1 mile? Okay. Your options are option A, 78 calories, option 2, 62 calories, option 3, 50 calories, and option D, 80 calories. So what
1 mile,
your answer? Yeah, 1 mile.
1 mile. Okay, I can go for for the 70. What did you say? 72.
Sorry, sir, I couldn't hear you.
What did you opt option 1?
I'll repeat the options once more. It's option A, 78 calories, option
78.
B, 60,
I think 78.
70. Okay, but the answer is 62 calories. It's apt 62
How can I
calories.
measure?
Okay, doesn't matter. So we move on to the next question. Name the workout which is used for shoulder exercise. Your options are option A, Arnold press, option B, lateral press, option C, barbell standing press, and option D, all of the above.
Can you please repeat the options?
Option
voice
A is Arnold press, option B is lateral press, option C, barbell standing press, and option D, all of the above.
Barbell standing press, one is lateral press, first one is?
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
all are, I
your
think
answer?
all are.
So you got this right. Okay, so moving on to the third question. Sweating cleans the dirt out of your pores, improving the look of your skin. Is it a myth or a fact?
It's a myth.
Myth. Sir, but it is a fact that sweating actually cleans the dirt of your pores and makes your
Pores.
skin.
Acha, you asked about the pores.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry, I
Okay.
couldn't hear the pores.
So
I think you
to
said the skin. How can you wipe out with the sweat with the skin? Okay, no issue. Yeah, continue.
Yeah. So the fourth question is, someone who is vascular shows a lot of dash on their muscles. A person who is vascular shows a lot of, what does it show? A
Veins.
lot of what on the muscles?
Veins.
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 Yeah, a person who is vascular shows a lot of veins on their muscles. So my fifth question is, the first toothbrush with bristles was made in which country? Okay. Your options are A, United States, B, Egypt, C, China, and D, Denmark.
I think D, Denmark.
Sorry?
D, Denmark, I think.
Actually, it's C, China. The first toothbrush with bristles was made in China.
Okay.
So, if your tooth is accidentally knocked out, you should put your tooth in this and then rush to your dentist. Okay, your options are A, orange juice, B, milk, C, damp
Coconut
paper,
water.
D, pudding. Sorry?
Sorry. Again. If your tooth is completely avulsed.
Shall I repeat the question?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. So if your tooth is accidentally knocked out, you put it in this and you rush to your dentist. Your options are A, orange
With
juice,
holding the tooth,
B,
right?
milk. Sorry?
With holding the same tooth, right?
Yeah, you actually put the tooth in this and then you go to your dentist. So
Okay.
your first option is orange juice, B, milk, C, damp paper towel, and D, pudding.
B, milk.
Yeah, that's right. Okay, so
Yeah.
some moving on to a question related to your very passionate about cricket. So, who was the man of the tournament in the 2011 World Cup? Yeah, your options are A.
Yuvraj Singh.
Your answer?
Yuvraj Singh.
Yeah, I did not even have to tell you the sub parts. So that shows how passionate you are about cricket. So the next question: how many teams took part in IPL season 5? Your options are A 5, B 11, C 9, and D 7.
How many teams?
Yeah, how many teams took part in IPL season 5?
Season 5. Okay. Option, sir?
Options are A 5, B 11, C 9, and D 7.
Pune Warrior, what was it? 7?
No, it's actually 9.
Till 9. Okay. तो दो टीम ऐड
Yeah.
हुए और एक बैन चेन्नई भी बैन हो गया. Okay.
So heading on, whose record did Sachin Tendulkar break when he scored 200 runs against South Africa? Your options are A. Brian Lara, B. Graham Gooch, C. Saeed Anwar, and D. Sunil Gavaskar.
I think B Saeed Anwar. C Saeed Anwar. I think.
Yeah, you're right. So the last question of the quiz is, Which country won the World Cup 3 times in a row? A. West Indies, B. New Zealand,
Australia.
C. Australia. Yeah. So with that we come to an end to the quiz, and we move on to the rapid fire. After which I'll tell you your score. Okay. So the rapid fire, as you know, it has to be really quick and precise answers. Just one word answers if you can. Okay. So my first question: if you ever feel like munching, what do you have? What do you like to have? You
Munching.
ever go for something, you just want to eat something, what do you like to have?
I would like to have dahi vada.
Dahi vada. Okay. So my second question: if you are a fast bowler and have decided to practice bowling the Yorker, okay, so where will you be aiming to pitch the ball?
Block hole. Block hole.
Sorry.
Leg of the block hole. It's called block hole. Okay.
Yeah.
So so
Sorry,
generally
I don't.
it the area comes from the leg of the batsman to the stump. That is the block hole area.
If you could describe yourself as a teenager in 3 words, what would those 3 words be?
Teenager.
If you had to
Uh,
describe yourself as a teenager in 3 words.
teenager. How will I describe? First thing is immature.
Immature.
Second
Okay.
thing is uh,
So you have to be quick.
how will I have forgotten my teenager.
Anything comes to you, do that.
I was very naughty and naughty teenager and
Or not.
sorry, immature, naughty, and what? I was fitness freak also. I was. I think you can say very
Okay.
positive about looks.
So whenever we the next question to you, जब भी हम किसी डेंटिस्ट के पास जाते हैं तो recommend us कि आप ये टूथपेस्ट यूज करो, आप वो टूथपेस्ट यूज करो. So being a dentist, which toothpaste do you use?
Colgate Total.
Colgate. Okay. So I'm sure all of us,
Colgate Total.
Colgate Total, all of us might start using that from tomorrow itself. Okay. So the next question is, name that one book you read recently which shaped you positively, shaped you in a positive way, or had a positive impact on
There is a Odia book. It's called Neela Side.
you.
It's basically written on the complete structure of Lord Jagannath, and it's very enthusiastic. It's very helpful to promote me in a positive way.
So since you do weightlifting and all, what is the heaviest weight that you have lifted so far?
Wait, I got injured also. I had a
Okay.
deadlift of 1.2 quintal, 60 kg left side, 60 kg right side, and I got injured also. Then that very was a very I had pain in my back up to 27, 28 days. I felt very pain on that, but that was a high in deadlift. And if on
Saying
chest press, I have gone to a 1.4 quintal.
that saying goes well with it that if you no pains and no gains, right? So
Yeah,
next question: if there was a movie to be made on your life, what would be the genre and who would play you?
movie.
Yeah, if there was a movie to be made on your life.
Kabir Singh. Kabir Singh. Not the end part.
Interesting. So, who would play?
Yeah, continue. Continue.
Yeah. So, the next question, we'll move on to the next one. What is the strangest thing that you've ever eaten? Like something which you had and felt very strange about it.
Food that changes.
The strangest thing that you've ever eaten, like you had it and you felt like I haven't had this before. So strange.
There is no such food I have faced till date. That was stranger for me. Uh, I'm not able to recall.
Okay, so we move on to the next one. Which is your favorite movie quote?
Favorite
Any
movie?
Yeah, any dialogue from a movie that you like a lot?
I like the movie of Sanju.
Sanju, and
Uh,
your favorite dialogue from that movie, quote or something.
I don't remember any dialogue, but I like the
Okay, so
song that Kar Har Maidan Fateh, that I love that song.
yeah, that's quite motivational. So,
Yeah.
the next question: what is that one thing you own? You wish you didn't. Something that you own and you wish you did not have it.
Any work related?
Anything which you want to.
Last year I had gone to Puri and I was stuck with some robbers.
Robbers.
And it was a very serious matter. At the time that I was thinking I should not come here. And I would not have faced such kind of things. Some robbery was happening with me.
So, sir, with that we come to an end to our rapid fire round. But there was a question that came floating from the audience, and it goes like, "Aap
I want to
dentist
ask,
लोगों को-"
sorry to interrupt you, Noor.
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah, hello, Dr. Siddharth. How are you?
Yeah. Fine, sir.
This is Rishav here.
Hello,
मैं
sir.
आपसे हाँ जी, मैं आपसे पूछना चाहता था कि क्या आपके टूथपेस्ट में नमक है?
God.
अभी तक तो नहीं डाला हूँ सर। आगे का पता नहीं।
Nice one, sir. Okay,
Thank you,
carry
sir.
on, Noor.
So, sir, I was heading on with my question. The audience are very curious to know कि आप dentist लोगों को दांत उखाड़ने में बहुत मजा आता है क्या? Like, you have a lot of fun doing that.
No, not at all. It's a very tough job. See, tooth extraction comes under a surgical procedure. It's not an easy task to perform by everyone. It's a bit minor surgical procedure. Okay, and lots of people have faced so many problems on that. Even people have died also because some quacks are practicing in different of our country. They don't know how to do exactly without knowing the things, without knowing the surgical background, without knowing the side effect of anesthesia. They're practicing all these nonsense things, and that is not approved by the government. It's already many people have died in that basis. So tooth extraction is not an easy task. In fact, I would say you go for a surgery of the mandible or what maxilla. That is not a good job, but tooth extraction is a tough job.
So with that, we come to an end to this segment. And thank you so much, sir, for answering all the questions so patiently. Now over to you, Vidisha.
Thank you, Noor. That was a really fun session, and I hope Dr. Siddharth enjoyed a lot.
Yeah, I enjoyed a lot.
Before we move towards the end of the session, I have one question, and that is, well, you are a pretty young doctor, and there are a lot of people out here who are watching you as an inspiration, one suggestion you would give us about how to overcome challenges in life, the mental stress, balancing our health and everything? One good suggestion which we can take forward from this session.
I would suggest what I faced in day-to-day life: removing the negativity from the mind. First thing is removing the negativity of the mind from our mind. Somehow uh, help people as much as you can. Okay.
Mhm.
Get involved in positive works. Okay.
Mhm.
Maintain your normal body physiology by eating normal healthy foods, balanced diets, so that your serotonin level will be high by getting good foods. So positivity will be also there. And enjoy whatever you want to do, in which way you are enjoying your life. Go for it. Don't regret after that.
Okay. So with that, thank you so much. Thank you for taking out time from your
Most
busy
welcome.
schedule. We are
Highly
really glad to
overwhelmed
have
from
you.
all of you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. Looking forward to
Thank you
more
so much,
sessions
sir.
like this.
Most
Okay.
welcome, sir.
Until then, goodbye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you to everyone. It's highly, I got the privilege to be
Uh,
connected with you. Thank you so
so
much.
one second,
All of-
one of our colleague is having a question. So I would like her to put
Yeah,
forward,
sure.
please.
Mhm.
So it's me, Kalibha. Sir, I want you to say something about my works from members in Hills. Not message anything about our work.
Uh, it's a very good initiative of Pralubdha. If people are doing the fantabulous job, that people are getting aware about the fooding habit in a day-to-day life, and that will lead a positive way towards all young generation and the whole generation, I would say. It's a very good initiative that people should know about the how food habits should be there in day-to-day life, and people are doing a fantabulous job. Fantabulous, I would say.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
On that note,
Thank you so much, sir.
thank you very much for having us, for being there. Hope
Most
to
welcome.
see you again. Adios.
Sure. Bye, all of you.